ones, Royale and Zune, but you just have to copy it into here, click it, double click that, and you'll see SlanXP here in the display properties, and then a choice of SlanXP, SlanXP2, SlanXP3. Before you actually do this, there's some fonts that are included. He also does one that does the Calibri font, which if you don't have, I strongly suggest you get it. But anyway, these ones are the fonts that are included with the file. I'll tell you how to get this Calibri font in a second. So go back into your run box. It says C, Windows Resources Themes. Right, change this Resources Themes to Fonts. C is the drive that you use. You might have your Windows installed on drive D or something like that, not sure, but either way, you'll bring up a list of all the fonts that are on your computer. You drag over the fonts that are included in the theme and drag it into this folder. It will then install it. You won't get this error. This is mine because I've already got the fonts in there. You'll just say installing font 1, 2, 3 and then finish. So we want to cancel that. And then you can double click this. If you like this font, you can have that now and just drag it into this folder. All the fonts that are on your computer. You drag over the fonts that are included in the theme and drag it into this folder. It will then install it. You won't get this error. This is mine because I've already got the fonts in there. You'll just say installing font 1, 2, 3 and then finish. So we want to cancel that. And then you can double click this. If you like this font, you can have that now and just click OK. But if you want to have the font I used, which is the Calibri font. Calibri font is included with Office 2007, so if you have Office 2007, you can use this Calibri font. I strongly recommend this font. It's very, very, very nice. If you don't have it, just go onto the Google again and type calibri.zip, and the first link, you notice it says calibri.zip there. You just click that, and eventually it will load, and then you download calibri.zip, save it to disk, OK, or you find any site that has Calibri, that has the font Calibri there, because I think Microsoft don't like you downloading the Calibri font. I'm not sure why, but you can download it anyway from several sites, or they are included in some custom themes. So you right click that, extract it, double click that, and you'll notice you've got 4 more fonts. You just do exactly the same thing, go into the fonts folder, drag them and put them in. So then hopefully Calibri font will be installed. So now I will just close these, all of these now. So now you should have it in your display properties, appearance, SlanXP2. For the Calibri font, I think it's number 3. You'll notice that it's now all changed with the fonts. So then you just click OK, it says please wait, and then eventually you'll have a black taskbar like mine. Background, right click, properties, desktop. I tend to not have one. I make sure the colour's black. Then just type click none, click OK, and then you've got a black background and a black taskbar. Next to do, interface lift. Basically, go into Firefox, type in www.interfacelift.com. I'll provide the links to this site. Interface Lift is basically a wallpaper site. You can get really, really good wallpapers from here. Several things you can get, all high resolution ones people have taken with like really, really decent cameras. So all you do is go on whichever one you want, say I want a picture of a cloud or something, click the download size, you choose your resolution of your desktop, mine's 1680 by 1050, press download, it will open it, show you a big version of it, right click it, set its desktop background or size, you choose your resolution of your desktop, mine's 1680 by 1050, press download, it will open it, show you a big version of it, right click it, set its desktop background, or in Internet Explorer I think that just sets it anyway, then set desktop background, and I now have this with my black theme, which doesn't really mix, but just showing you as an example. I think I'm going to turn that off. So I just go to desktop and then none. So we're back to the black one. So yeah, interfacelift.com is a recommended website for downloading wallpapers. Now the last thing is a registry tweak. Basically, you'll notice if you change your font to Calibri, you'll notice that things like this will be Calibri. You'll notice that the start menu will be Calibri. But if you go into things like dialog boxes, like if you right click my computer and click properties, you'll find that things aren't things like dialog boxes. Like if you right click my computer and click properties, you'll find that things aren't actually in Calibri. Like things like anything that's in a dialog box isn't Calibri. So just to keep with the theme and keep it looking nice, if you go start run, type in rig edit, this basically goes into the registry on your computer. If you scroll all the way to the top and scroll to the left and just click my computer for the second, you can minimize this a second, just go edit, find, then type in font substitutes. What it will do, it will search through if that's any font you read. If you have any problems, be sure to message me. I'll try and help you as much as possible. I've got my desktop like it is. If you have any problems, be sure to message me. I'll try and help you as much as possible. Please comment and rate, and thank you for watching my video.